Where's my beer at? Okay, look. We got us some Captain Crunch. No milk. We're gonna do it with beer. Give me a spoon real quick. Hey, you know where the spoons are?
In the sink.
Hold up. Let me get this shit mixed up real quick.
That's just firewood. This thing.
That shit actually bomb.
Yeah, that's so funny. That shit with beer.
You guys don't know about that though, huh?
That's crazy. Yeah.
I had to drink it with something.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh, you're still recording.